my friends caught a fish, so they did, and the seagulls took the fish, they flew away with it.
I've seen them take Happy Meals out of kids' hands before.
The seagull took my Skittles, the whole entire packet.
Opening up my chips. He spotted me. He's approaching. He's about 2 meters away, walking directly towards me. Okay, big guy coming in. Big guy coming in. Oh, wingspan of about 3 foot. He's looking at my chips. If he takes a step towards me, I'm going to start my full staring action. This is incredibly tense. 3, 2, 1. Stare. And oh, he's flying away. He's flying away.